a false FIR has been lodged against you in the police station. Now, you want that no further action should be taken against you, as the allegations in the FIR are totally false and you have committed none of the offenses or none of the allegations which have been made out or written in the FIR. In order for you to do that, you have to approach the High Court through a document known as the Quashing Petition. A quashing petition is a petition in which you will have to prove through various statings that you were not involved in any of the allegations which have been made by the opposite party. Now, first of all, in today's video, we will discuss as to what you can write in the quashing petition, what are the points you can state in the quashing petition through which you can prove to the court that these allegations are false. They are false in nature. Okay, first of all, let's see what an FIR is. FIR is a first information report. It is a report against you in which these allegations are written 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, and in which the police will take action on these allegations. They will reach the place of occurrence where these offenses are deemed to have been committed. They will reach the place of occurrence. They will talk to the eyewitnesses. They will talk to the victim. They will talk to the other people there and anyone, and they will then do their investigations. They will collect the evidence and they will file a report in the court. The trial court will take cognizance of this report and they will start a trial. In this trial, you will have to refute the allegations. So the better thing to do is that you approach the High Court in the first place and get these allegations quashed through directly a quashing petition. Okay, now let's look at the points which you can state in the quashing petition. The first thing you can say is that I was involved in a civil dispute against this person, and this person has given a criminal dispute, made this civil dispute into a criminal dispute. For example, a civil dispute can be a property dispute which you might be having with the other party. You might be having a matrimonial dispute in the family court. You might be having, a divorce proceeding, a judicial separation proceeding, a maintenance proceeding, but that person simply has filed a criminal case against you and obviously tried to turn the whole attention on the criminal proceeding just to make you accede to him or her in the civil dispute. Number one. The second thing you can state in the quashing petition is that the intention of the party who has got the FIR lodged is malicious. Either that party wants to take a revenge from you, or that party simply wants to give you a headache. That is, it is a vexatious proceeding. So there is no real reason. There is only either the person wants to take some kind of revenge, or it is a vexatious purpose which is behind this proceeding. You can state that this person says my neighbor, or this person is say my relative, and therefore he or she has filed this case against me. Also, you can prove in the court that there is no legal evidence. There is no evidence to support these allegations. They are just frivolous words which have come out of the mouth of the opposite party, and they have made it got written in the FIR. There is no real reason. There are no evidence. There is nothing to prove that yes, such a incident took place and I committed it. The fourth point which you can write is that, an FIR is lodged against a person when the offense is serious. It is a cognizable offense. A cognizable offense is a serious offense under the Indian Penal Code. Now, an FIR is obviously registered for a cognizable offense. You can show that the offense which I have said to have committed is not a cognizable offense. It is a non-cognizable offense, and therefore no FIR should have been launched. Also, another point you can put in the quashing petition is that what allegations have been put against me are simply absurd. Sometimes the allegations are so frivolous. For example, your neighbor has got an FIR lodged against you. Now this neighbor has said that you have broken down one of his walls, which fell down all of a sudden, and why you have done that is because maybe one of the water ducts of your home was crossing near the wall of your neighbor. Something which is totally absurd to say. So therefore you can say that something which is so absurd in nature has been put on me in the FIR that it does not really make out any offense at all. So these were some of the points which you can state in your quashing petition in order to bring it to an end, to bring the FIR to an end.